Hey, and welcome back. So this video it's all about installing all the packages you need for the exam. But if you are using a Rocky system, so if you are, I'm going to show you, I'm going to verbalize both, but I'm going to show you the Rocky system because the Red Hat system it's quite simpler. So let's go here, and well, let's go here first, shall we? Yeah. So this is all about task one, which we are going to verify and make sure that everything is installed. Okay. But here I'm going to show you how to do it in Rocky. So if it were, god damn it, words. If you are using Red Hat, which in exam you should, you just do dnf install, okay, Ansible Navigator, and Ansible Core. All the rest you can install later when you get there. Ansible Core. Okay. So this is what as root, of course. I'm using this as a DevOps user, but you should use root. Okay, that's what it is, as root. And I'm not doing this at all as root. Okay. And it should be good enough. Everything else you can install after the fact. Okay. If you're using Rocky like I am, it's a little bit different. Just go because Ansible. So you just need to install FL. Okay, so this is all for the Rocky peeps like I am. Okay, if you're using Red Hat, DNF install Ansible Navigator, Ansible Core should be good enough for you. This is how to do it. This is how to do it in Rocky. Okay, so then you just do DNF install Ansible. Why didn't I do the -y? So merging process with pid blah 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 to finish. Oh god damn it! This machine has the GUI installed, and it's doing the auto update thingy-majiggy. So let's get rid of that. Oh, it's gone now. Cool. So let's install Ansible. This is what I recommend you guys to install for the prep and everything else. In our machines, hopefully it will take a little bit less time. With mine are well, they are not bad machines, but they could be faster. Let it finish. Throughout the task questions, I will not do this. It's already done, but okay, good. So now you probably have Ansible or most of Ansible stuff. Okay, that you should be good enough to use the regular old school Ansible. If you want to use that, should be good enough for that. But if you want to if you want also Ansible Navigator, okay, you just do dnf install. Let's put a Y here. You just use Python 3 pip to install some stuff. And we're done. Then you just do oh my god, my notes. Okay, there it is. Python. I could copy and paste, but not yet. Python 3 -m pip install -user pip x. Oh, I'm doing this as root, and it's not this step here. This step should be done without the root user. So don't do this as root. Do this as well. No harm, no foul. But do this as a regular user. So after the DNF stuff is done, all the Python stuff, do it with the non-root user. Then you just do pip Python 3 -m pip x ensure path. Okay, it's ready to go. Nice. Now just log out and just to apply the changes on your environment. Where is it? Where is my virtual machine? There it is. Okay, so DevOps. All right. And now we have Ansible Navigator. Oh, no, you don't have it yet. No. Now you just do pipe X install Ansible Navigator. He's going to do some magic here. Don't worry too much what he's doing. Exactly, it doesn't really matter. It's not that relevant. You're going to see this in real time. This is not going to be edited in any way. There you go. Ansible Navigator. Minus version. And you are off to the races. All right. So watch this as many times as you wish. This is just how to get Ansible Navigator and Ansible installed. Well, Ansible and or Ansible Navigator installed on the Rocky system. On the non-RHEL and on the RHEL system, is just do DNF install Ansible Navigator, Ansible Core, and you Bob's your uncle. If you're using Rocky, this is the process. Now, the next one will actually be the first task of the EX294 exam. Like, subscribe, and comment, it will help. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.